Hi, I'm Mohsena Hassan. I have about 17 years of experience in leading companies in Bangladesh, and I have been awarded for being a volunteer in my university in Canada. Today I'm dressed up to make a point. See me clad in this red cotton sari with flower in my hair. This dress up gives you clue about my culture and also allows you to start a conversation with me. So today I want to talk about what you should be packing in your luggage when you're ready to leave Bangladesh for your university abroad. The number one thing you should be packing is your traditional clothes. Your traditional clothes for Eid, Milad, Boishak, Falgun, Victory Day, Independence Day, a wedding, a wedding anniversary, maybe a holud, even for 21 February. Most likely, you will be meeting there your lifelong friends, your Boro Appa or your Boro Pai, many of whom will be giving you reference for the next job or just hang with you at times. You might get even lucky and find your to-be spouse in one of those occasions. So take your Punjabi, lungi, t-shirt, gamcha, shari, lehenga, kameez, anklet, necklace, earrings, whatever you are used to wearing in those occasions and that makes you feel good. The second thing is anything that you're used to. For example, a prayer mat, a yoga mat, a statue of Krishna, a statue of Buddha, whatever you usually pray to or you meditate and you center yourself, those are something that you will want to carry on because those are things that will give you a pace in your daily routine. Also, if there is any book that you read, any religious book or any other book that you usually look into and you enjoy reading, take it with you. You will need it. The third thing you need to do is you need to go to a doctor. If you're a person who needs medication throughout the year, for example, you have a problem with your thyroid, with your blood pressure, diabetic, anything like that, get a prescription. If you're going for a year or 2 years degree, please ensure you're getting all the medications with you for that period of time. Please don't leave it for someone to bring it for you because this is important medication and it may or may not suit you. And the prescription would help, and in case your insurance covers it and you are comfortable or you need to go to a doctor, your doctor would know what kind of medication you need. If you have that prescription ready, it would be easier for the doctor to be able to give you the right medication. So take your medicines and your prescription, and that prescription will be helpful also to go through the customs in case they ask you why do you have so much of medication with you. The fourth thing, if you need any prescription eyewear, like myself, take few frames because frames are very expensive abroad and it's not worth it. It's difficult for you to request someone in Bangladesh to buy you a pair of glass that could suit your face. So might as well take few frames, make them all with the right kind of power, and if you want, you can also have your sunglasses made with the prescription power from Bangladesh. It's going to be cheaper and much more effective. The fifth thing is again medication, but these are all over the counter. So you have over-the-counter medication even abroad. Why do you buy these? For example, you will not get or saline abroad easily available like we have in Bangladesh. They don't sell it. They sell different categories of it and you might not be used to and you don't want to experiment when you're having an episode of diarrhea. So take or saline, paracetamol or whatever, at least in the beginning, so you have somewhat buffer time till you get used to with the new over-the-counter medication. The sixth thing, you should take some spices and grains. So what do I mean by spices and grains? For example, if you're going to a place like New York, and most likely it would be very easy for you to buy those spices. For first few days, you might not have the time to actually go there and do the shopping. So you should take some spices which are not readily available in any grocery. For example, turmeric powder is one. You should not be taking cinnamon powders and other spices which are very easily available. So look up and try to understand what are available in a close by grocery shop. The other spices which are necessary, take in little amount so you are being able to bridge between the first few weeks. 7, you need to take your underwear and quite a bit of it, because when you go and you have them washed in a washing machine, it might not work out very well for you. So take few extras, and if you need to buy some more later on, then that's fine, but at least the first few weeks you're covered with clean underwear. 8, your original certificates. You absolutely need to take those in hand luggage. No exception allowed. Because however you think of it, in case your check-in luggage gets lost, then you really had it. So would really like to suggest, please carry all your original hand papers in your luggage. So you must be thinking, taking all these traditional clothes and my prayer mat and whatnot, when am I buying all those crazy funky stuff that I want to buy from the shops in Dhaka and take abroad? So here's my suggestion. So when you have a pair of shoe and you have packed it in Bangladesh, there's a certain temperature. And when the cargo in the plane goes up, the cargo cabin of the plane is pretty chilled. So the glue on your shoes at a certain temperature, and then it goes in the plane, it contracts, and then you come down, the temperature goes up again, and those shoes are in a mess. Same with your clothes. The clothes that we have over here is made for hand wash. It is very unlikely that you will get places where you can wash the clothes and hang them to dry. Most probably you'll be using a washing machine and a dryer, and that is a whole new ball game. So my request is, please buy minimum clothes, whatever you need to wear and be there for maybe 2 weeks at most. Rather, you go to places like Amazon, Walmart, Target, and other shops, look at the styles and shop on the cart, and once you reach there, have those things delivered to your new place. In that way, you don't have to overburden your host. For example, you might have an uncle, aunt, cousin, a friend's friend where you are just going there and there's 2 huge luggage and you are going crazy. Just imagine you're having less luggage, and that makes the host feels much comfortable, because I'm sure the host is also cramped for space. And when you go to the new house and the new place, you will be easily and comfortably getting all the things you want just delivered. And be cautious, don't buy too many things, buy a little bit of stuff, order some and check out how it fits, and then you can order some more, and shopping would be a good experience as well, and you have some pile of cash with you and you're not wasting the money, and you look in style and you look that you're from there, and you can mix well with the community, your university. This way or that way, I think the money that you will be spending in Bangladesh buying a loads of clothes that will be going to waste once you go abroad, it's better you buy fewer clothes. You buy those things from companies that they have made specially for a washer dryer treatment. Then it's a win-win case for you. If you think someone needs to hear this, please forward it and subscribe. Thank you.